Crazy things you'd only see in Japan. Japan has always been popular for being technologically one step ahead of the rest of the world. Watch this video all the way to the end to help us out and to find out all these unusual facts. The unfavorable geographical and natural conditions of the country have made the Japanese extremely inventive and efficient. But sometimes their creativeness and technological advancement goes a bit too far, leaving behind things that people from Western world find anything from weird to shocking. If you plan to visit this amazing Asian country, you need to keep listening to these amazing facts you'll only find in Japan. As far as ingredients go, the Japanese mayonnaise is not that different from what we use in the US or in Europe, but it's the prolific use of it that makes the Japanese mayonnaise strange to Western people. While Americans typically use it on sandwiches and hamburgers, the Japanese use their traditional Kewpie mayonnaise to flavor things like ice cream, potato chips, spaghetti sauce, noodles, and even pancakes. Another unusual fact: the subway chin rest. The Japanese work really hard. No wonder they sometimes tend to snooze in the subway. To have their heads comfortably supported, they may use this special gadget. Easy Ear Explorer. Do you have times when you feel an urgent need to see inside your ear? This Japanese invention will make your dream come true. Thanks to this invention, you'll know exactly where those big lumps of earwax are hiding. Talk about mining for gold. Kit Kat flavors. You know Kit Kat, the chocolate bar. Though we know Japanese people do eat some weird things, it's almost impossible to imagine something like baked potato Kit Kat, soy sauce Kit Kat, or wasabi Kit Kat. But not only do these flavors really exist in Japan, they are among the most popular. Pillows for lonely men. For the gentlemen who lack a spouse or a significant other, there is this amazing lap pillow available. At least this fake girlfriend will never argue with you. Pillows for lonely women. There is no discrimination for the sexes when it comes to loneliness, so a woman version of the pillow is also available. Bikes, bikes, and more bikes. We've already mentioned how Japan is a tight country with limited parking and driving space. This is what also makes bicycles the most convenient method of transportation. As a result, the country is full of sites like this outside of train stations, shopping centers, and other places where masses of people gather. Washlets. Washlets, or as many people tend to say, crazy Japanese super toilets. They're electric toilet seats with a water spray feature that cleans your bum hole and your genitalia. While the Japanese are totally used to this zesty feeling, foreigners getting a shot of water up their butts are usually startled, to say the least.
Okay, this could be interesting. Oh, Jesus Christ!
Island of gas masks. Located southeast of Honshu, Miyakijima is an island featuring an active volcano, Mount Oyama. Since its most recent eruption in 2005, it has constantly leaked poisonous gas, requiring all residents to carry a gas mask at all times. Raid alarms go off if there is a dramatic increase in the levels of sulfur in the air. Capsule hotels. A capsule hotel is probably the craziest Japanese invention ever. Introduced in 1979, these hotels have accommodation for a variety of customers, ranging from traveling businessmen to drunken people who wouldn't make it home safely. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today on Unusual Facts. Subscribe so you never miss another video. We're working on updating daily. Like this video if you learned something today, and share it with your friends if you thought even one little tidbit was interesting. Thanks for watching this video filled with unusual facts.